नमस्कार आणि योकार हांव महिमा तुमचे परत एकदा स्वागत करता बियॉन्ड द स्पॉटलायट ह्या कार्यावळीन. आयज आमच्या वांगडा आसा एलन डिसूजा, जेका तुमी सगळे जाण स्केलेट्रॉन म्हणून वळखता. तो एक डीजे, तो एक म्युझिक डायरेक्टर, ऑल्सो ही ओन्स अ म्युझिक अकॅडमी आणि ती गोयची फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्युझिक अकॅडमी जावन आसा. योकार तुका स्केलेट्रॉन.
थँक्यू.
तर तुझी जर्नी कशी स्टार्ट जाली एज अ डीजे आणि म्युझिक प्रोड्युसर म्हणून?
जेन्ना हांव ल्हान आसलो तेन्ना आय यूज टू प्ले विथ युटेन्सिल्स.
ओके.
एंड आय ऑलवेज लव्ड म्युझिक वेन आय वॉज अ किड. मागीर जेन्ना 11th स्टँडर्डा पावलो तेन्ना हांवें म्हजो फर्स्ट कंप्युटर घेतलो. तेन्ना my friend introduced me to a music making software called FL Studio. So I just play kotalo, like experiment kotalo. Okay, like kashe music korop. So and that time there was no knowledge, there was no YouTube. So I was just practicing. And after 2 years I got my first internet, and then I started watching YouTube tutorials like how to make proper electronic music. And so that's how I started. When I was in like first year, I started putting out remixes, just like that. आणि हे भाशेन करीत गेलो. आणि एक वेबसाइट आसली, okay, called Living Electro. So I used to make remixes and upload on that website. So and those remixes used to come in top 10, okay, on that website, and it was like the world's like #1 free download website that time. So हे भाशेन स्क्रीनशॉट मारून प्रमोट करप फेसबुकार. At that time Instagram was not there. So and then some organizers saw me, okay, that okay, this kid is doing good, because that time there were not many music producers in Goa, only DJs were there. So then they approached me for one gig, and that's how I started my DJing career. So before that I was a music producer. And then because of my music I started getting shows. Yeah.
So being a Goan, आता आमच्या गोंयांत खूब रिच कल्चर्स आसा. वी हॅव आवर ओन रिदम्स. सो ते तुज्या म्युझिक ट्रॅकाक वा सावंडाक वा एनर्जीक ते कशें अफेक्ट जाले? लायक
see, Goan music, it's in our blood, like Goans, they love music. So I was like very much inspired by these percussions like Gumat, like tribal instruments and the trumpet sounds. So I try to use that whenever I want to make something different. I will try to use all these elements and come up with something unique. Yeah.
So when you were a kid, like starting तुका कोणी help केले, like some artist or mentors, to create your own sound?
See, when I started off, there was this one friend of mine. His name is Maestro. So he like that time I didn't have money, to post my music on Living Electro. It was only for the paid subscribers. So he had one account, and so he used to help me. Whenever I used to make music, I used to like give it to him. He will do the artwork and post it over there. So like that. He started, like he was my really good friend, and he started, like he helped me a lot. And in DJing, I have one best friend, so he bought a small DJ console, okay, and he gave it to me that time. So he told his father to buy and give it to me. So that's how I started off. So my friends helped me, because the parents, they parents didn't know like what was this. It was completely different, and they thought, okay, I won't make career out of this. So it was kind of difficult to convince them first. My Russian friends and support kelo. Then I started off, and then slowly they started seeing the growth in this, and they are supporting right now.
So why tribal tech?
Tribal tech. See. Right now the music what I'm producing it has more of percussions, called so tribal sounds like percussion, like djembe, then tabla, then for example Gumat. Goan instrument. So they come from like a tribal background, you know. So te घालून plus I try to take modern music, you know. Tech कित्या म्हणटा, like there is a genre called tech house. So they beats like tech house beats with tribal percussions combined together. I just formed it as my own genre, tribal tech. So ते भशेन, but it's doing good for me. It's going really well.
जशें आतां आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा नाच रे आनी रिंगा रिंगा अख्ख्या गोंयाक गाजोवन उडयला सद्याक तरी. कितें इन्स्पिरेशन आसलेलें बिहायंड इट, यू नो, while composing it?
So for Natsre beat was produced already. Like I think I had made this beat in April, okay, and I wanted to do something different. If I want to make Konkani music, I wanted to do something different, because before Konkani music, I used to make Bollywood and then my EDM, you know, production. So Konkani korpa mak kite different korpa jaale, you know, and I had a vision that okay, I want to take Konkani music and Konkani vocals, add my music to it and take it to the global level. You know, like see how Punjabi is and even Marathi music. It's global now. People listen, but when it comes to Konkani, it's not out there.
Yeah, very less.
Yeah, very less. So एक goal आलो. Okay, so combine modern music with Konkani vocals and ए भशेन करपा. So then the Rochelle singer, she was a bridesmaid for my wedding, and she's a really good singer. So एक चितलोले तेज बारबो song कोतलो म्हूण मागीर तेका हांवें आयडिया धाडली आनी तेणें like the vocal melody was already written. I knew like how the vocals should sound. मागीर तेका सांगलें lyrics बरय. Okay, she came to my studio, we wrote the lyrics, and after 2-3 recordings, finally आमी final recording Sumarki Studios तितून घेतले. So over there we did the final recording, and then we thought of making a music video, because Konkani audience without music video they don't listen. You know, they don't like to listen to the audio. They want to watch and listen. So we had to do a music video for that. Magir, through my friend like Capture X India, Aaron, Shugan, and Amir, they are my close friends. And so I told them I have a song, and then we came up with this concept, okay, like a shy boy. It's based on me only, the story, okay, because I'm very shy when it comes to dancing. So, and the lyrics are also like that, you know. Then my wife, she choreographed those moves, Natsre. So, and I told her, you know, the dance choreography has to be, you know, very simple. Any non-dancer should be able to dance. So that's how we came up with the concept, and we shot the video, and then we put it out, and then we had like a marketing plan. So we did that, and luckily that song got clicked. Everybody started doing it. So all the weddings and be used up, and it's a hit now. Yeah.
So आम्ही तुझो व्हिडिओ पळयला, म्युजीक व्हिडिओ, आणि क्रिएटिव्ह लेवल इज लायक बेस्ट. लायक कितें केलां पळय, लायक आमी फर्स्ट टायम असो कोंकणी सॉंग पळयला जेची क्रिएटिविटी खूब बरी आसा. सो तुमी लायक यू नो गोवन जे यूथ आसा डान्सर्स तांकां घेतले, सो तो कोलॅब कसो जालो?
See, now I had this vision, okay, I want to take Konkani to global level. So तेच भाशेन videos जाय पडना, कळ्ळें. So for Ringa Ringa, we tried to do something different. Okay, so much a Bollywood style. You know, the concept is like kind of Bollywood style. So te bashin kelo, and dancers, it's the same team which was there in Natsre. Okay, only few more people are there. Okay, we added influencers also in Ringa Ringa so that it reaches to more audience. And kelo same. The concept was same. The dance step. Even in Ringa Ringa, that step is there, and for that I wanted to be, you know, more uplifting, upbeat. So the concept, you know, like if we want to take it to global level, you know, we should do something, you know, different. So we did that, and that also worked on Instagram. It's trending right now, Ringa Ringa.
Skeletron, म्हाका सांग, मुंजा मूवी सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी तितून तुवें म्युजीक दिला आनी स्पेशली हय जमालो सामको फेमस जालो आनी इतले रिल्स जाले तेजेर आनी हांव तुका हें विचारूंक सोदता हो कोलॅब कसो जालो म्हणल्यार एक गोवन चेडो बॉलिवूडान कसो पावलो
सी एक्चुली स्टोरी सांगपा फर्स्ट they didn't directly approach me when I produced the song. Okay, हे जमालो आसा तेजो एक ओरिजिनल सॉंग म्हणजे जमाल म्हूण रिलीज केल्लें. ओके, सो ते आय थिंक इन 2023 डिसेंबर 2023 डिसेंबरान रिलीज केल्लें जमाल. ओके, आनी तें हिट जालें. ओके, इट गॉट मिलियन्स ऑफ व्यूज ऑन यूट्यूब. सो आफ्टर 6 months I get a call from Maddock Films. So their production. Okay, one manager called me and she was like, they want to use that song in the movie, and they want to buy the rights. Okay, so after 5 months, they noticed it. It was not like instantly. Original mix already upload kelle, but after 5 months they approached, and it was a collaboration with Sachin and Jigar. I don't know if you know them. They are top Bollywood music producers. So they added their vocals and little bit modifications they had done, and then they released as Hey Jamala, and they're moving to use that.
आमकां हेवूय खबर आसा की तुवें सोनी म्युजिकान गहराया ह्या सॉंगाक सुद्दां कंपोजिशन म्हणजे तुवें म्युजीक दिला. सो तो एक्सपिरियन्स तुजो कसो आसलेलो?
सो गहराया एक्चुली जेन्ना रिल्स इंट्रोड्यूस जाल्ले चोय तेन्ना हांवें लायक आय हॅड सीन द गहराया ट्रेलर. ओके, जस्ट द ट्रेलर, एंड दे हॅड यूज दॅट सॉंग. सो आय टूक दॅट सॉंग and I made a remix and I just posted on Instagram. Okay, so it was not official at that time. I just did it because I liked the song. Okay, so then after few months I heard this story that the director of the movie, Shakun Batra, so he was just browsing through reels. Okay, and then my reel popped up on his feed. So tene reel choile and he liked the reel. Okay, he liked the audio. And then he sent it to the Sony Music. He told them, it's saying, just get this signed officially and we'll release it on the official album. Then Sony got in touch with me asking for that remix. I sold it to them and that's how it happened. It's all because of Reels. Okay, even Munja, it's all because of Reels, YouTube only. Like I never went and I approached them. They discovered me and that's how it happened.
म्हाका एक सांग तुजो नाच रे आनी हय जमालो हो जो तुवें कंपोजिशन केला पळय तेजो तुजी क्रिएटीव प्रोसेस कशी आसली लायक फ्रॉम द बिगिनींग टील द फायनल ट्रॅक?
सो फॉर नाच रे एक आयडिया आसली. ओके, दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू मेक एन एफ्रो बीट. ओके, सो ती बीट केली हांवें रेडी. देन आय हॅड टू फायंड सो वेन एवर आय मेक अ न्यू सॉंग आय नीड टू गेट इन्स्पायर्ड फर्स्ट. Like I won't simply go sit and try to experiment. Not right now. Before I used to do it, but right now if I want to make something, I need to get inspired first. So that's what I did. I try to find an inspiration. So Afrobeat Kelly, very catchy with guitars and stuff, and then I started writing the vocal melody. Okay, because I cannot write lyrics. So vocal melody, kitkon aspa hai, So that vocal melody I wrote, and bishti AI vocals gatli. Okay, in English words. Then I gave it to Rochelle. Then Rochelle said, okay, I told her to write the lyrics. So like this, in collaboration effort allo in Natsre. She had wrote the lyrics, I wrote the beat. And that's how it happened. For Hey Jamalo, I didn't produce. The song was already produced. Okay, that beat, the structure was there. So the Bollywood producers, Sachin Jigas, they added their touch to it. They vocals gatli, and melody mashe change keli. Okay, even the tempo mashe demoilo त्या song. So most of the production them kela.
So how do you describe your signature style? Supposingly तुका first time कोण आयकता जाल्यार?
Skeletron sound. Poilsan start केलें till now. द सावंड जायतो चेंज जाला. ओके, स्टार्टींग हांवें जेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्लें तेन्ना इट वॉज प्रॉपर EDM. Now it has become to, more like a tribal, I'm using more live instruments now, guitars bhi घालून. So evolve जायतो जाला, but now it's more like vocal. I'm trying to make vocal based songs, not too many EDM songs. So हे भाशेन, like my focus is here now, trying to make vocal based songs.
सो तू कितें प्रिफर करता, सोलो कंपोजिशन और कोलॅबरेटिंग विथ अदर्स?
Collaboration for sure, because जेन्ना तूं collab करता, it's not just your ideas. You collab with a different person. तेजी idea, so दोन्ही ideas combine केल्या, something hit can happen.
सो हाव डज दिस स्केलेट्रॉन अकॅडमी कशी येयली ही कॉन्सेप्ट वो?
So 7 years back, I was already making music, and जे सांगला ते भाशेन, social mediaचे post करप. So I used to get messages, where did you learn all this? Then I used to tell them I've never learned. I learned everything on my own. So then they were like, can you teach me? So like this, I started teaching at my home. Okay, I used to call them and I started giving them lessons at my home. But slowly, I started getting more and more messages. Then I decided, okay, I should start an academy. So now it's been 2.5 years for that academy. It's in Marga, so now it's my full-fledged job, day job, you can say. And weekends I perform.
रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसलो जेन्ना तुवें अकॅडमी स्टार्ट केल्ली तेन्ना?
Response was good, okay, but I cannot take more students. I just do like one student at a time. So we take only limited students because all our classes are one-on-one. So chod students घेवपा जायना.
एज यू सेड की ते फूल फ्लेश्ड आसता, सो तू कशें बॅलन्स करता?
Like music.
लायक युअर म्युजीक, लायक स्कूल आनी तुजें ओन म्युजीक.
Yeah. So Monday to Thursday classes asta. So I dedicate myself for like Monday to Thursday for that. Then weekends I will do my show, and if not show, then I will go to my studio and work on my music production. So that's how I do. That's how I balance.
सपोजिंगली आतां कोणाक इन फ्युचर DJ जावपा जाय, और दे वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू दीस फील्ड, सो कितें मायंडसेट और कितें स्कील तेणी डेवलप करपा जाय फॉर दीस?
First thing, don't do it for the money. Okay, like do it for, you need to have passion for music. So जेन्ना तूं पयशां लावन करतलो न्हू, then you'll give up easily. Okay, but if you have passion, then you will keep on doing this even if there is no money coming. Someday, for sure, if you're good at it, money will follow you. So like you need to work hard, be patient, and humble रावपा जाय. Okay, and then slowly it will come. And nowadays main thing is social media. Okay, it's not just about learning DJing. You need to learn how to promote yourself. Okay, by making reels. So all that you have to learn. You need to evolve with what's happening in this world. Now AI has come, so you need to know how to use it for your advantage. So you need to be smart. Okay, even in like DJing, music production, सगळें चोयपा पडटा.
एज वी ऑल नो, सक्सेस आमकां खूब इजिली मेळना. सो एज अ इंडिपेंडंट आर्टिस्ट इन इंडिया तुवें कितें चॅलेंजीस फेस केले?
See, now it's been 15 years. Okay, पयले challenge कितें आसलोली, like I couldn't promote myself because only Facebook was there, and like I couldn't reach to more audience. When COVID came, reels happened. So jenna reels येल तेन्ना like I was able to reach more audience. So before that the challenges was there was not enough what do you say, technology itli evolved zalna. Nowadays it's very easy. Now anybody can become a DJ, anybody can become famous right now. But poile challenge, like only thing how to promote. Promotions very challenging part already.
So now you have overcome it.
Yeah. Now I'm very camera shy, to be honest. But it's my job now, so I have to learn. So
म्हाजो एक क्वेश्चन म्हणल्यार फॉर आर यूथ, सपोजिंगली दे वॉन्ट टू कोलॅब विथ यू, जाल्यार आर यू ओपन टू दॅम?
Yeah, I am open actually. Like you can just DM me on Instagram, but yeah, you have to send me an idea. Okay, if I like the idea, then yeah, we can do something. If not, then obviously I will tell you we can't work.
Beside music, तुका आणि कितें इंटरेस्ट आहा like to fuel your creativity?
Interest, as in, I like going to the beach. You know, like Sundays, if I'm not doing anything, just chill by the beach, relax आपाचे. Gives me peace because the थोडी music कोण तुझी battery drain जाता. You know, so you need some peace also.
So are we expecting any music in upcoming years from you?
Yes, for sure. Zaiti collabs planned kela. I haven't done it yet, but music kon dola. But I will try to work with a lot of Goan singers, okay, for next year. Konkani songs chod astali, and little bit of tribal tech here and there. Okay, so both. Let's see how it turns out.
स्केलेटॉन आमकां सांग जे तुजे नाचरे आनी रिंगा रिंगा आसा पळय तेजी प्रोडक्शन आमी पळयल्या खूब बरी जाल्या सो वायल डिसायडींग द लोकेशन्स तुमी कितें डिफिकल्टीज फेस केले और कशें डिसायड केलें की कितें तुमकां जाय लोकेशन
So first Natsre music video I know. So we had shot already, okay, at one villa. My the thing is my videographer, he went to Bali and he lost the footages. So he lost the footages and because someone stole his hard disk over there. So all the backup. He lost. Then he told me now what we have to do. We have to do it again. So then he came back. We sat and we changed the concept. Okay, we had to search for a different location. Okay, because in that villa, what happens? It's a small place and you cannot do much lighting also over there. So we decided let's do it properly this time. Then we had to find a new place. Okay, so we found the Braganza house in Chandor. So tinga recce keli and it was a proper location. It gives that vintage Goan vibe also. So then we decided, okay, whole storyline tingas dakoya. From me, on that chair, having a morning tea and full party scene with tingas dakoili. So this was the concept of Nasre. First video delete zalo, then we had to reshoot. So within 1 week we did this. We shot and within 1 week upload kelo. So because time was less, because 17th August was my birthday, and I wanted that music to be released on my birthday only. So time was less, but chale. And for Ringa Ringa, this music video was shot in Raya. Okay, so Raya Panchayat Hall. So tinga full production setup karo podo. Okay, so shout out to Team Props. So Temi full sponsor kelo to do the production, full stage banli sole. So because we had to do it like Bollywood style. So it's from scratch build kelo. So it took us 1 day to do the whole production, and second day shoot zalo. So same thing, but for this video we had time to shoot and properly plan it out. Yeah, but it was good experience. Team was same for the Ringa Natsare and Ringa Ringa. So let's same video team always Capture X, Aaron and Shugan. Same team Ingas use ali. And I have a good relationship with them also. So I like to work with the same people, who I worked before. So te bashin kela zala video bar jata. So it was good.
Tell us about your UK tour. Like, how was your experience?
UK tour, it was very cold, first of all. But tour was good. It was successful. First show was Swindon Tallo. It was good. It's a nice club over there. And the second show was in Hounslow. So full Goans were there. And this tour was organized by Illusion Events. Illusion Events like Mosey, Freddie, Sherwin, then Guilty Pleasure, and Rock Ferra. So these guys are my close friends, and they do events over there. So they got me over there. It was a fun experience. and hopefully next year I'm planning to do a UK tour again. So let's see.
ओके थँक्यू सो मच स्केलेट्रॉन तूं येयलो आयज म्हणल्यार तुका हांगा हाडपा म्हणल्यार आमकां खूब डिफिकल्टीज जाला एक्चुली तुका तुजो टायम घेवपा थँक्यू सो
No
मच फॉर
worries.
दॅट अँड आय विश यू ऑल द लक तुजे जे अपकमींग प्रोजेक्ट्स आसा सो ते बरे बँगर प्रोजेक्ट्स आसतले आय होप
Yes, thank
अँड
you.
देव बरें करूं
Yeah, thank you so much. अशे भाशेन म्हाका गोंयकारांचोय सपोर्ट जाय बिकॉज आय हॅव अ मिशन एंड गोंयकाराचो सपोर्ट जाय पडटलो यू नो टू मेक दीस
Yeah,
ग्लोबल
yes.
लेवल कोंकणी ग्लोबल लेवल सो होपफुली देल सपोर्ट मी सो थँक यू सो मच फॉर हॅविंग मी हियर
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर